Having fun in this tree. Look at them, they're feasting. They're just enjoying. They're waiting for the snow. They're ready for it, and they're gonna be dancing in the snow. Some of them are flying. I cannot follow them anymore because I'm only taking this through the window from the inside of my bedroom. Oh, they're not. I think they saw me taking videos of them. Only one left. Alright, guys. Oh, they're all gone. I think they saw my cam. No more. I cannot follow them because this is just the window of my bedroom. You see all the trees? They're all ready for the snow. Leaves are gone. Oh, there's one more bird that came back.